everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And today I have an unboxing for you.
All I see are hands and a head. What's
And
going on?
What?
Oh, the rest is camouflage.
I was a little concerned about this one. If you think this looks rough, the box it came in was rougher.
Yeah, that's the inner box.
Yeah. This is the inner box, and it is from Naomi Crafted.
Bum, bum, bum.
You will find a link to her in the description box down below. It is an affiliate code. I do get a commission if you buy anything using my code or using my link. I also have a discount code down there in the description as well. It gives you, I believe, 40% off your order at this point. Now, this is something that I purchased with my own money. I have already looked at it, so I know it's okay. I first got, and I've showed this now a number of times, this from her. And it was an upcycled dust jacket that she turned into a bag. And I loved it. I thought it was really neat. She gave me a little Dior gift as well. And then she gave me another Dior gift. She had just made this scrapbook out of a Dior dust jacket. But along with that, she gave me this bag. And I just fell in love with this bag. I just think this is the cutest, nicest dust jacket or dust bag made into a bag ever. I love the size. I love the shape. It's like one of those little Speedy 20s. Only, you know, she sent it to me for free. I did not pay for it. You might remember the debacle with the handles when I originally tried to put them on like they're a Lindy.
We do.
From side to side. But because of that, it just really got me into her bags even more, not like I wasn't already. And I wanted something else. And I had the 40% off, so I thought, I'm going to go look. And this is what I got. Like I said, I was a little worried. The box was pretty crushed. And then I got this, and it's pretty crushed. And so I was really concerned. But when I got it, it was really interesting. Opened it up, and on top, there was a little dust bag. This is nothing special whatsoever. I see her in the future amping this up a little bit. It's nothing more than kind of like almost like paper and then some see-through plastic there. Would it protect the bag from dust? Sure. Would I want to put my bag in there? Not necessarily.
But you got a viewing window.
But yeah, the bag can see what it's doing. But I don't put my bags in dust bags, and if I did, I have a few other Fashion File ones and stuff I could use. Would this do the job again? Yes. Do I think she's into crafting for the bags themselves? No. So that was on top, and then the bag was wrapped in beautiful pink bubble wrap, and she's a beaut. She is a beaut. I got this. So this was made with a Dior dust bag, and this is just, I know it's just the dust bag, but it's so good and it's so pretty.
Is it luscious?
It is luscious, yes. And then you got the little Dior keychain here. I haven't taken that plastic off yet, but it's got like Dior handles, which I like. I just kind of like the noise they make. Give you a good spin here. Here's the front, the side, the back. Again, there's just this beautiful pattern and the floral. I just think it's so pretty. The side, and this is leather. The bottom has feet. Again, I did not take the little stickers off as of yet.
We call those socks.
You call the feet, oh, the stickers are socks. So got these on here, but this is just, it's so good. Here, I'll stop taking the socks off. Like you can see the stitching down here. It's beautifully done. I mean, it's just, the handles are so nice, and it's got the little top flap opening, not the zipper. That's another piece of leather, and there is a magnet in here. Now, it did come stuffed.
We sent the bag to the buffet.
And it has a adjustable, removable strap here. And then the interior has, it's a black hole, but there is a slip pocket on the front, and then a zippered pocket on the back with a really nice substantial zipper pull on it. And it's just, I wish I could show you better, but it's so dark. Here, I kind of got it open.
Yep.
Kind of see it?
Yep.
I'm so pleased. Like I said, she's definitely come a long way. So you got this magnetic top, and she's definitely come a long way from even the first items that she's done. This is so pretty. I would say this is the size more of a small. I did get out my I have a medium Lady Dior bag, just so you can kind of see the difference in the two here. So you got the sides here, the feet, and I love this. I was so happy to get it. I was so happy that it was in good shape. I didn't take the stickers off yet, but I have the stickers on. I gotta take those all off too, but it's just beautiful. I mean, there's not a stitch out of place. It's just such a pretty bag, isn't it? And it came out of a dust bag. I mean, like, this was under $200. I'm just like, I'm just floored. So I recommend her. I really do. I love her craftsmanship. I love what she's doing. I love that she's doing repurposing. I believe she's also now starting to do some other bags herself. Yeah, I can't say enough good things. Everything that I've had from her has been beautiful. I do spend my own money on items from her like this. This is a bag I will be very proud to carry. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And so I wanted to share it with you. So that's what I have for you today. It's my little unboxing. And like I said, quality-wise, this is as good as anything else I have. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. And a fraction of the cost of what you're going to get from other fashion houses. And it's just fantastic. It just really is. So I am super excited. I couldn't wait to show you. Let's see, time, it took, I would say, probably about, was it 2 to 3 weeks maybe to get to me? And that was about it. I believe shipping is free. And yeah, go have a look at her site though. Click on my link down in the description box below if you don't mind. Use my code to save 40%, but take a look at what else is out there. Sometimes she puts stuff for sale too. Like, she'll already have a sale, and sometimes you can use her sale and my sale. Sometimes you can't though, but sometimes she'll even have bags discounted. I know this is one that she had a few of, and she had a couple on sale, but she'll have some other stuff out there. And just, yeah, take a look at what she's got. It's just awesome stuff. So I was really excited about it. So I thought I'd share it with you all. And let me know, do you have anything from her? Have you purchased anything from her? I know some people have, because I get notified when people do, and I'm just excited for them, and I wish I could see everything that everybody else got, because it's so fun to see the different things she comes up with and makes. And she's, like I said, been making even more now, that I'm just so excited to see what she does and what she comes up with. Otherwise, leave any other comment you want down below too. I love when you guys leave comments. Helps me get to know everybody a little bit better. Helps me interact with everybody. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. You could also hit the little bell notification. Lets you know when I put out videos, which is generally on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And then every other Thursday, I do a book type haul. Either I'll haul some new books I got, talk about a series of books, talk about a particular book, talk about what I've been reading. So if you're not into books, you may not want to hit the Thursdays up, but for luxury and other bits of my jam, on Wednesdays and Saturdays, you'll find videos for me. I'm also over on Instagram at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. Usually put out a reel once a week showing you my bag of the week and what all fits, the SLGs and things I've used. And this time, you'll notice my green Speedy is not up there. That was one of my non-used bags. I'm using it this week. And so my reel on Instagram this week is that bag. I have it. I put some cool SLGs with it. It's beautiful. I took it to work today. It was so happy to be out. You know, you can
So
just
why did you
tell
decide to use it?
the bag's just happy. Why did I decide to use it? Because some people had said, like me and David from David's Closet were kind of talking about there were bags that we didn't have that didn't use that we knew we needed to use, and I knew I needed to use it. It's beautiful. And yes, I do still think that some of these are just like pieces of art that even if all they do is sit here for the rest of my life, I won't feel like I made a bad purchase because they are so beautiful to look at. But that bag, it's a sporty bag. It wants to be seen, and I've been keeping it just hovered up in that shelf, and now it's loose, and you gotta go watch my reel. I was just really excited to have it out. I've really enjoyed it, and I like how my hand can fit through the little thing, because I was thinking the only way I'd be able to carry it is like this, but no, my hand fits through just like on this, and I have a nice big arm, so most people could probably carry this and or that almost up to their elbow, or up to their elbow. So yeah, just take a look at that this time. It's pretty cool. I'm really glad to have it out, and I did it. I said I would, and I did. And it matches.
She did it.
It matches what I have on today too, or what I don't have on, since you probably can't see me. I'm
No.
waving my arm around like
Like you just don't care? Okay.
right? So that's what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate it. And until next time, please do unto others. Please
English,
do unto,
please.
Please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.